What I'm about to show you could change the way you think about YouTube forever. There is a niche out there pulling in millions of views and generating passive income. And the crazy part is you don't need to show your face, buy fancy gear or juggle 5 different AI tools. Most creators will tell you, use ChatGPT for the script, 11 Labs for the voice, Midjourney for images, Premiere Pro or CapCut for editing, basically 4 or 5 tools just to make one video. But today I'll show you how to cut all that down to just 2 tools, ChatGPT and CapCut. And here is why this matters. There is a channel in this exact niche that uploads every 2 to 3 days. They already have over 619,000 subscribers. One of their videos has nearly 4 million views, another one passed 2 million. That's not luck. That's the power of long, calm content that people put on at night and let play for hours. YouTube loves that watch time. Advertisers love it too, because it's safe, family-friendly content. So stick with me, because by the end I'll show you step by step how to create videos like this and what kind of income potential this niche can open up to you. Here's what we'll cover today. What these videos are made of. Step 1. Generating ideas. Step 2. Writing the script. Step 3. Creating the video in CapCut. Step 4. Making them long. Step 5. Exporting and final touches. Also, how monetization works, real income potential. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Anton, your AI guide. A while ago, I was sitting at my laptop, buried in endless, boring tasks, editing, emails, reports. I thought, there has to be a smarter way. That's when I started using AI tools. First, ChatGPT, then Midjourney, then CapCut. And honestly, it changed everything. Now I finished project faster, I spent more time with my family, and yes, I even use AI to cook dinner recipes. I test this stuff on myself so you don't waste time. If you like real AI hacks without the fluff, hit like and subscribe. It tells me to keep going, and trust me, it keeps me more awake than coffee. Let's dive in. So, what exactly are these videos? In simple terms, they're relaxing sleep videos with historical storytelling. Imagine lying down, headphones on, and being taken back in time. Ancient empires, lost cities, famous moments, all told in a calm, soothing way. Add soft background sounds, and it feels like a time travel bedtime story. The magic is that this content is both beautiful and practical. Each video runs over 2 hours, which means more watch time, more ads. And you don't need to spend days editing. With this system I'll show you, you can put one together in under an hour. That makes it perfect whether you are working a full-time job and just want a side hustle, or if you dream of making YouTube your main gig. This niche can be a real gold mine. And to give you a taste of what we're about to build today, here is a quick demo I made using the exact same strategy we'll walk through step by step.
You will walk calmly through mysteries, how pyramids were built, how lives were organized, and how ancient discoveries continue to puzzle us today. And finally, you will step into the cool shade of a noble's home to feel the quiet luxury that only a few could enjoy.
I've created this helper in ChatGPT and it's almost fully automated. You just need to click Let's Start and it will propose you 3 different subjects that you can choose. Yeah, I know, ChatGPT gives way too many options. Feels like picking a Netflix show sometimes. You can choose even 5 or 10, but let's start with 3. It's generating 3 subjects.
You need just to read it and understand, is it like interesting for you or not? And also ChatGPT is asking, would you like maybe more? We don't need more in this example, just let's choose the first one.
The only real danger here, you'll spend more time playing with prompts than actually sleeping.
And ChatGPT started generated the script for the first subject, and it was the first segment. And we will have 4 of them. I know, sounds insane. Who's gonna watch 3 hours? Well, people do, or they fall asleep. Either way, YouTube counts it. To continue, just paste continue, do it like 3 times. Want this free helper? Drop free bot in comments. After the 4th segment, go to CapCut, click AI video, instant AI video, and here you see the enter script. You need to choose 16:9, it's the format of aspect ratio of YouTube. And also these styles, you can choose between these 3 ones, but also you can choose whenever you'd like. We are going to copy this first segment, paste in there. Also, I need to clean here a little bit after ChatGPT because it produces a lot more text that I asked. And the main is the voice, because when people are sleeping, they need some calm voice. So I highly recommend this Valentino voice.
And yes, the AI even makes the voiceover. Honestly, it sounds more professional than me.
It's almost the same, or I think it's the same that in YouTube channel that we saw before. So after a while, like in a couple minutes, it's generated a lot of scenes. Some of them sometimes like not generated, but it's like simple to fix. You click generate AI media. If it didn't help, just go to stock. Find that subject that you're interested in, so you can choose from here, or you can go to AI media. Just put the name of your interested theme and choose against the style, like I'm doing here, and click generate. It will take just from 30 seconds till 1 minute. So, but overall, the generating the first segment, it could probably take like 10 to 15 minutes. It's from scratch, from creating the script till the exporting. So here our video is almost ready. It's about maybe 60-70% of done, but we need simply just fix it.
Pretty cool, right? It even added movement I didn't ask for.
And the left side, you see different tabs like scripts and so on. We need to go to elements and turn off the captions. Also, you can choose here the music, but in our example, we don't need to. And we are going back to elements and go to settings. We need just leave sound effects. Choose medium and hit apply. So again, after a while, like in a minute, it will generate just sounds for our video. After that, you click export, choose the name, choose the recommended quality, resolution. I highly recommend to choose 1080p. Also, you can choose frame rate. I just leave it here and click export. The exportation, it took a while, but not very long. So it was like about maybe 1 or 2 minutes. After that, we are saving it on our laptop or computer. And if you need the second segment, we just creating the next project. We are copying from ChatGPT the second segment, pasting it here. Also, you need to choose the voice like we did before. So we used Valentino, but also you can use like Homer Simpson voice. It will be very, very interested. Just Homer Simpson just explaining like about the ancient Egypt. So Valentino is our choice. You can save it for later. Here is like a lot of tasks, but you don't need to know about them everything. Just paste your second segment, choose your voice, and click generate. And also, yeah, don't forget to turn off the captions and just leave the sound effects, so sounds, for your video. After that, you need to import it to CapCut, add it to our timeline, and we need to add some just little effects. So go to effects, trying to find smoke, or it could be named like vapor. So here I don't like the smoke, so just choose the vapor. Yeah, it seems like on the original video. We are stretching it to the full our segment for our video, and you can just play with these configures, but I think like standard ones is pretty cool.
I tried Premiere Pro once. Let's just say my laptop almost didn't survive.
After that, we are going to look for sparks, because again, on the original video is pretty cool. I tried a couple ones. This one I didn't like. So I highly recommend the first one. You add on a timeline. You also can just play with these sparks, but again, with standard configure, it's pretty cool. So you see like this vapor, these sparks. And just one thing left to add here is the sound effect of sparks. So because when you hear this calm voice, it's pretty cool just to hear some sparks, like it's fire on the back. So it's kind of relaxing. So here in CapCut you have a lot of choices, but I highly recommend to choose the biggest one, so you can copy or remember the name of this audio, and we are adding it to our timeline, just copying a couple times to stretch it through the whole video. And that's all. So here, so actually it's the all work that we need to done.
Close your eyes and let yourself drift back thousands of years to the wide banks of the Nile River.
Quick tip, always export in 1080p or higher. I learned the hard way, zooming in on 720p looks like filming with a potato.
Yeah, I pretty like it, so hit export. You need to choose your name, just let's name it like video 1. So after that you need to choose 1080p and click export.
See, that's it, no editing degree needed. If I can do it, you definitely can too.
You wake before the sun rises. The air is cool for now, but you know it will not last. A rough mat made of reeds is your bed, and beside you lies a clay jar of water drawn from the Nile the night before. You sip from it sparingly, tasting the faint silt, the earthy reminder of the river that sustains you. The smell of smoke clings to your linen tunic, for your family cooked last night's meal over a clay hearth. The fabric is coarse, not soft, and it scratches slightly as you move.
At this point, you're probably thinking, that's it? Yep, that's really it.
After that, we are coming back to our ChatGPT helper, and it asks us to give us the prompt for thumbnail. Yeah, of course, we need this thumbnail, and it's easy to create here. It proposed a couple of options. I just asked the first one and asked to do a thumbnail in vertical. I didn't like the vertical one. Then after that, I decided to choose a different aspect ratio and change it to 16 to 9. So this one, it became better, much better. Also, I tried a couple different options. You can play with that, but I didn't like it, so I just left the second one. I put it to remove BG service, remove the background. It's the free service. Also, I asked ChatGPT to create some elements for the story. Everything I added to Canva, cropped here, and it took just maybe a couple minutes to do that. And here you see the original. And here that I've created, I'm agree with you that it's not very cool, but I wanted to just to keep this video short, so as is.
Now let's talk about money, the part everybody cares about. A short 10-minute video might get 1 or 2 ad breaks, not bad. But a 2 hours video that can hold 10, 15, even 20 ad slots, and because people play this while they sleep, they actually watch the whole thing. Well, technically they sleep through the whole thing. But YouTube still counts it. And advertisers love this type of content. It's safe, it's calming, family friendly, no drama, no risky topics. That means better ads and higher pay. Let's make this real with some numbers. That channel we looked at, their top video has almost 4 million views. At an average $5 CPM, that's around $20,000 from just one upload. Another one passed 2 million views. It's about $10,000. And another video passed 1 million views, so it's roughly $5,000. So yeah, technically people are paying you while they sleep. If that's not the dream job, I don't know what is. And here's the wild part. These aren't Hollywood movies with actors and cameras. They are faceless, AI-powered videos made with tools you already have access to. So if you're wondering whether this niche is worth it, the answer is right there in the views and the dollars attached to them. And remember, these are channels uploading every 2 or 3 days. With consistency, the potential is massive. The only question is, do you want to be the one making these videos or watching someone else cash in? So that's the full picture, how ChatGPT and CapCut can help you create faceless videos, why this niche works, and the kind of income potential it brings. Would you try this yourself? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read everyone. And if this video gave you value, hit like and subscribe. It really keeps me going and tells YouTube to show this more people. Oh, and check the pinned comment. I left you ready to use prompts there. You can literally copy them and start today. Don't waste time. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.